Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a very famous sweet, that is Besan Burfi, and that too without any sugar. So let's get started. First let's grease a bowl with some butter, and in this bowl we're gonna set the sweet. Now heat a pan, add ghee, or also called as clarified butter. Then add in the besan. I sifted the besan before adding it into the ghee to break all the lumps. You need to roast the besan in ghee really well until it changes to a darker shade. If the besan is not roasted really well, then you'll taste a bitterness in the burfi. Now the besan is well roasted. Now instead of sugar, I'm adding jaggery in this recipe. I used jaggery powder. You can also add melted jaggery. Now cook this on a medium to low heat until it becomes a single dough like this. Now immediately transfer it into the greased bowl. Spread this using a spatula. You can spread some sliced nuts on top. Now press it with the spatula. You can give some cuts in the burfi so that once it sets, it will be really easy to take it out. Now to set this really fast, I kept this in freezer for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, our burfis are ready. Once it is cut out into burfis, you can store this in an airtight container. You can keep this in room temperature and use it within a week. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.